You've probably been there. You roll into the shop for a simple oil change, expecting to spend 50 bucks and get out in 20 minutes. But suddenly, the mechanic walks out, holding a clipboard, wearing that serious face. He says, "Hey, we found a few things you might want to take care of while you're here." Next thing you know, your quick visit turns into a $600 repair bill. Welcome to the world of the upsell, where what your mechanic says and what he means are often two very different things. Here's the truth: mechanics aren't just fixing cars, they're trained to sell. Every recommendation you hear has a hidden purpose, a carefully crafted phrase designed to make you say yes. In this video, we'll decode the 20 most common upsell lines and reveal what they really mean, so you never get played again. Your brake pads are getting low. When you hear this, you imagine danger, screeching stops, failed brakes, disaster. But often, getting low just means you have 40% life left. They plant fear to make you act now instead of 6 months later. Translation: they're not urgent, but I'd love the extra $300 today. Your cabin filter is pretty dirty. They'll even show you a dusty filter. Looks nasty, right? Here's the truth: unless it's clogged with leaves or bugs, it won't harm your car. You can buy a new one online for $10 and swap it yourself in minutes. Translation: we want $60 for a 2-minute job. We recommend a fuel system cleaning. This one sounds fancy and expensive, but most modern engines don't need it unless you've been using low-quality gas for years. Dealers love pushing it every 15,000 miles for an easy $150 upsell. Translation: your car's fine, but our profit margin isn't. Your battery tested weak. That handheld tester is their favorite magic trick. If your car starts fine and your battery is under 4 years old, it's probably okay. Translation: let's sell you a $200 battery while it still starts every time. Your transmission fluid is dark. Dark doesn't always mean dirty, it just means used. Some fluids naturally darken with heat but still perform perfectly. Translation: let's charge you $250 for peace of mind you don't really need. Lifetime fluids, not exactly forever, but they also don't expire every 20,000 miles. We noticed some oil around the engine. Oh no, leaks! Disaster, right? Actually, a light film of oil is common. It might be residue from a past spill, unless you see drops on the ground. It's not urgent. Translation: we found a reason to sell you a $400 gasket job you can delay. We recommend a coolant flush. If your coolant isn't brown or sludgy, and your temperature gauge is steady, you're fine. Mechanics often push flushes way too early. Translation: we'd like to sell you $120 of colored water today. You've got some play in your suspension. This one sounds technical, and that's the point. A little play is totally normal in many older vehicles. Translation: let's replace parts that are still doing their job, just not perfectly. We recommend a throttle body cleaning. Unless your car idles rough or the RPMs fluctuate, you don't need this. It's another maintenance task that benefits the shop more than your car. Translation: your throttle's fine, my commission isn't. You're due for a power steering flush, another flush trap. Most cars don't even need power steering fluid changes unless it's visibly contaminated. Translation: we're trying to turn your routine visit into a $150 add-on. Your tires are wearing unevenly. This one can be legit, but not always. Sometimes they're just uneven from alignment or rotation timing. Translation: Let's sell you for new tires when you could rotate and get 10,000 more miles. Your air filter is pretty dirty. Mechanics love this one. It's visual and easy to sell. But a slightly dirty filter actually helps filter better. Replace only when airflow drops. Translation: $40 for something you could replace yourself for $12. We found carbon buildup in your engine. Sounds terrifying, right? Carbon buildup is a favorite scare tactic. In reality, a bit of carbon is completely normal. Major issues appear only after 100,000 plus miles or on direct injection engines. Translation: let's clean something that doesn't need cleaning yet. Your belts are cracking. Here's the trick. Most belts have cosmetic surface cracks that don't affect performance. Only deep cracks across the ribs are a problem. Translation: let's replace something that'll last another year, just to be safe for our wallet. We recommend synthetic oil for better protection. If your owner's manual doesn't require it, synthetic is optional. It's better, yes, but often overkill for short drives or older engines. Translation: we'd love to charge double for the same oil change. Your rotors are warped, sometimes true, sometimes exaggeration. Slight brake pulsation doesn't always mean replacement. Resurfacing or proper torque fixes it. Translation: we'd rather sell for $100 rotors than suggest a $40 fix. We found a small leak in your exhaust. If you're not hearing loud noises or smelling fumes, it's not urgent. Shops love this one before inspection time. It pressures you to fix it immediately. Translation: we found a minor issue that can wait, but we'd rather bill you today. We recommend an alignment. Unless you feel your car pulling or your steering wheel's crooked, you probably don't need one. Shops recommend it every tire change because it's a high-profit, low-effort job. Translation: easy $99, no parts, no hassle. Your wiper blades are worn. Sure, they might streak a little, but wipers are the easiest DIY fix ever. You can get better ones at Walmart for half the price. Translation: we're charging you $30 for a $10 item because it's convenient. You shouldn't drive far until this is fixed. This is the nuclear button, the fear phrase. It creates panic and immediate compliance. Sometimes it's true, but often it's just pressure. Translation: we know fear sells faster than facts. When in doubt, get a second opinion. Any honest shop won't mind if you double-check their work. Mechanics have their language, and now you've learned to speak it. Not every upsell is evil. Sometimes it's real advice. But the trick is knowing when you're being sold versus being helped. The next time you hear, we recommend, pause, ask questions, think. Because every car owner deserves to know the difference between maintenance and manipulation. If this video helped you decode the mechanic's playbook, hit that like button and subscribe to Car Secret Hacks, where we expose the hidden tricks, scams, and secrets behind the auto repair industry. Share your own upsell experience in the comments. Let's help fellow drivers stay one step ahead.